The Opel Manta. Yes, I'm doing the body work. And no, I wasn't looking forward to this because this is a lot of body work. And it's body work that I don't usually like to do. But since it's already there, I just have to re-repair what somebody had repaired before. And like I said, this is on the right side. And the right side was in a collision years ago. This door was a replacement door. This big old chunk here I finally got right. And then this was a patch. And it was a store-bought replacement, rust replacement patch that was tacked on with spot welder. But I sealed it up and I'm resurfacing it. Hopefully the left side goes a lot better than this side.